Take a ride in the 2015 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.